Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to give you 5 favorites in 5 minutes. So I am setting my timer right now and I'm going to talk to you about the things that I'm loving. Number 1, I am loving my kitchen. It's actually right here behind me right now and it's not done, but I've been painting my cabinets and I painted the bottom gray as you can see and then the top white. It's a little bit too white for my taste, but kind of just is what it is at this point now. I know. If you are wondering, I used, what did I use? I'll link it below. But it was a Sherwin-Williams cashmere is what I used. And it was just a little too white. It's also what I've been using on my trim. I learned my lesson. I was trying to take the easy way out. Not the greatest idea. But I also got a rug that I have been loving, and it's been so fun for me because honestly, I've just really been focusing a lot on making my home look the way I've always dreamed. You know, we pin a lot of things and we see all this stuff on Instagram and it's so easy to feel like, oh, I wish my house looked like theirs, but not work with what you have and make it look how you want it to look, and just put in the work that it takes. So it's been really fun to see those dreams come true. Okay. Number two, I am absolutely loving plants right now. Guys, yesterday I think I spent like $40 something, which is not a lot if you know how much plants cost, but I was $3 over my budget that I gave myself on plants. I love what they do to a space, and I honestly was really able to find some really affordable but super nice plants in the coolest spots. I found a tree at Walmart for $3. It was dying, but it was actually in really good health. Okay, that didn't make sense. So it was falling over and the plant itself was dry, and so I think that's why a lot of people didn't buy it, but the actual foliage was gorgeous and it was really great. I went to a bunch of different thrift stores and I found all these different pots, which I'm showing you now, and I also found 2 plants that I really wanted that clean the air. One is a snake plant and the other one, I'll link it below. Everybody's seen these vines, but at a local, this is hard, at a local nursery, and so I'm really happy with how they turned out. Like I said, $43 for all this stuff. I thought it was awesome. One of the plants I already had. The third thing I'm loving is actually this purse, which Rebecca, if you're watching, you probably aren't. Thank you again for my purse. I love it so much. It is by Etienne Egner. I've seen this brand a lot at different thrift stores, and I don't know if she designs anything anymore because I've honestly never seen it anywhere other than an antique shop or a thrift store. But this bag has been so amazing. I have not cleaned it out, so this is my real life. I've been saving a couple receipts, but it's pretty big. I can definitely fit like my phone in here, my wallet, and a couple of other accessories. It's super sturdy. I love how it stands on its own. It's got all this cute brass hardware. I have literally gotten so many compliments on this bag and I love it so much. I'm so thankful that my friend gave it to me. She just said she wasn't using it and she just really liked it and thought I could use it. And I have been carrying it every day and plan to carry it throughout the fall. So I'm really excited about that. I did it. Yes. Okay. Guys, I can't even work my phone. All right. The next thing I've been loving lately has actually been getting organized, which kind of goes along the lines of what I was saying with the kitchen, but I've really been working on downsizing. I can be such a hoarder. I am honestly that person who's like, oh my gosh, what if I need this? And so I keep all kinds of useless stuff. I have a junk drawer that I'm really looking forward to going through and getting rid of all of the extra screws from everything I've built since I was like 17. Yeah, it's a problem, but I'm working on it, and so I am hoping to give you a couple clips of some spaces that I've been cleaning out, and it just feels so good to have things in their place and less clutter, and it's been kind of intoxicating. Like the process of getting things done and seeing your projects come to fruition and actually done well the way that your Pinterest board looks it's what's the word I want? Addicting. So I really love that, and it's just been really fun to do. Yes. Okay, I think I can feel the 1 minute barrier now, which is crazy because I'm extremely long-winded. So number 5, and the last thing, I don't want to get the name of this wrong, I just discovered it today, is the Home Primp This is a YouTube series by, I think it's called Channely Magazine. I will link them below. Oh my gosh, if you are trying to be inspired about any kind of project that you're doing, if you're on a budget and you are serious about your budget, you need to watch this series. This girl, I think her name is Alexis, is absolutely amazing. Her style is so much fun. I want to say she's from Canada, probably Toronto or something like that. She definitely says about and sorry, but she's so good. And it's been so cool to see just somebody kind of different. I think I've been watching a lot of people who have the same style, and I like their style, but it's honestly not my style. I'm a much more colorful person than what's really popular right now, and so it's just been really inspiring for me to watch her. And if you go check her out, please let me know. I did it! Please let me know. So guys, I hope that you were entertained and inspired by this little 5-minute clip video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. Have a good day. Bye. The prince is having a ball. The prince is having a ball. Do, 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 do.